To change the unlock animation on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to open your Samsung Galaxy store. Right here, we'll be looking for the app called Good Lock, and it is right here. You can click on that app and then download it. When it's ready, select open, and when it's opening, it will ask you for permissions or anything like that. Just make sure to accept it, otherwise it won't work. Next thing we should do is to click on the Wonderland, and we need to download this plugin. Now that the installation is complete, we can launch that plugin just like that. Allow any permissions. And here we can create our different lock screen effects. So select through the options right here, or click on the plus button to create your own. In this case, I'm going to go for this one. Then you just saw a different lock screen animations, and we can set it as our wallpaper. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.